Hello everyone. Something happened to this car. Yes, I just wanted to tell you something. Like what happened to the car. Well, yes. Somebody accidentally broke it with a big truck. Yes. Like look what happened on this car. It is today. As you can see, the car was broken. It was by the big truck.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened, guys.
Yeah, guys, it did not go too well.
Yeah, it didn't go too well. My brother's right. It didn't go too well because they're at work. They're about to go work, but somehow it accidentally crashed the car with this big truck.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, this might be bad because
yeah. It
They
might
need
be bad.
my dad is gonna cry about what happened because of the big truck.
Come on. Sometimes everything happens, okay?
Yeah, somehow happened.
Yeah.
But anyways, I hope you understand that what happened
Yeah.
of this serious problem. I mean,
But-
it's an accidentally one.
But
They accidentally crashed them. Okay, I have to end it here.
wait, should we give them a closer look?
I already showed them. I'm sorry.
No, like a closer look.
I already showed them.
Oh, okay.
Alright. See you guys in the next video. Say bye.
Wait, it's not a video.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Say bye. Say bye. Joaquin, say bye. They don't want to say, he doesn't want to say bye. I'm just gonna end it right here. See you guys in the next video.